After years of facing resistance in Makkah, the Prophet, may peace be upon him, turned to the city of Taif, seeking allies who would embrace the message of Islam. His heart carried hope, yet his journey would soon turn into one of the most painful chapters of his life. The people of Taif not only rejected his message, but subjected him to humiliation. They gathered children and the ignorant masses to throw stones at the Prophet, injuring his body and soul. Yet his faith remained unshaken. With every step, blood flowed from his feet, yet his spirit remained firm. It was not for himself that he endured such pain, but for the guidance of the people.